Hi there, this is Tony Rogwin, the marketing guru here at Real Property Management ALAMO, and today I have Will Nemeth with us. And I'm just going to ask him a couple of questions so we can get to know him. The first one is introduce yourself and tell us what you do here.
My name is Will Nemeth, like you said. I'm the maintenance manager here for Real Property Management ALAMO. For owners and tenants, whenever I receive a work order request, I'm the one that sees it first and I handle it accordingly.
Perfect. That's great. Okay, the next one is what do you like about San Antonio?
What do I like about San Antonio? It's my home. I was raised here. I also love the diversity here as well.
Perfect. Yeah, I know that San Antonio is a fun place. Okay, the next one is what's your favorite thing about Real Property Management ALAMO?
I like our staff is very family oriented. It's like a big family already since I've been here. I just started working here maybe 3-4 weeks ago, and I already feel a part of the family already.
Yeah, I can tell. It's great to have you on here. Okay, the last one is what's the top question that you're asked all the time
The
by
top
tenants?
question by tenants would have to be, how fast is my issue going to be fixed?
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, there you go. That was Will Nemeth, and we're excited to have him here. You guys take care now. We'll see you later.